Currently we're setting up a new production line for the Bushmaster vehicle. We've just received an order for the Commonwealth of Australia. It's a fully digital production line with digital process sheets, so that the operator can walk up and look at the computer and know exactly what they're doing and can tick off all those things as they're working through. So we're currently setting up that production line in Shop 9. One of my favourite sayings at site here is we're saving the world one truck at a time. So every person that walks through the gate here at Thales Bendigo has a great sense of pride in what they do. They come in here and they know that every single part of their day is actually going to go towards saving someone's life. It's definitely it makes us proud to work here.